We are here at Sham Shui Po. Para siyang old town sa Hong Kong. It's like our Divisoria. And we're gonna do a foot crawl and walking tour as well. Top is Kong Wo bean curd. We're gonna try that. Laki niya na. So we are here on our first stop, Kong Wo bean curd factory. Let's try the famous bean curd. No, they have black soya bean milk. Black soya, you want? Soya? They also have fresh soya.
And dessert.
Dessert? I'm not ready for dessert. What do you want to try? They have something like this too. What's this? We also have this, and there's also a tofu. Meron na sila. Deep fried tofu. Parang siyang deep fried tofu. Sige, let's try that. So we're gonna try the small combo steam rice roll, 4 pieces. May siomai siya. Can we just the steam rice roll lang? Okay, let's try the steam rice roll for $11, 4 pieces. Can we do na 6 na? 6.50. Binili namin na steam rice roll and may kasama siya siomai for $20. Pero kung steam rice roll lang, meron 11. Kung sana yung bibili namin kasi si ate pala decision. 20.
Okay. How does it taste?
Tama nga, parang may peanut butter niya. Yung red. Sarap siya.
The siomai, try it.
So may save nung binili natin ito gabi. Ito yung soya. Nope. Ito talaga ang Divisoria dito. May mga laruan for kids. Super dami. Ito line, linya ng mga laruan. Dito tayo sa may Focwing Street, SSP Toy Street. Kaya pala. So, andito naka-situate yung mga toys for kids. If you wanna buy pasalubong for kids, dito kayo pumunta. Super dami, may scooter pa. And right now, dito kami ngayon sa Focwa Street, and unfortunately sarado na yung Quanti store, which is an institution na dito sa Sham Shui Po. So sad, hindi natin naabutan. And punta tayo sa next stop natin, which is Samtai and Chizi and Tak Thai Temple. Alright, let's go there. Mga toys. Again, mga bags. Mas madami mga nationality dito, no? Yan, yan. MTR station. Ay, mga pasalubong, no? Dagang magkakapo, no?
Balikbayan box. Yan na.
Dili sila mag-grab tapos diretso na siguro sa airport or something. Kana mo, di ba kasi lagi pampali.
Or ipadala nila sa kuan.
Ay, padala nila silang mga mas makakamura pa. Mas makakamura sila dito. Parang siyang Divisoria na ano. Walk, Hong Kong. Boology. They have dim sum eh. Siomai 16 nata. They have
Philippine rice.
huh?
Dapat Philippine rice. Steam rice.
Steam rice? So they have dumplings. Huh? So nag-dumplings naman tagabi. You want chicken feet? Or just yeah. Ay, kakao. Okay.
48
How much?
48.
Yeah.
Kasi nakita kami ng ano, legit na gems sa Japan Surplus. Oh, Japan Surplus items. Kasi matry pa doon. We are Apleo Street. Super busy na streets dito. Wanna buy mga murang items. They also sell SIM cards. Lahat ng items makikita dito. Meron din mga restaurants and food items. Yun, may mga kainan din dito. Yeah, mga na siya. I think yun yung mga soya drinks. Yung mga nuts, huh? You love nuts, kiamoy, meron din dito. Yeah, may durian dito. Don't have idea. This is mangosteen. Apple, mga nuts, mga kiamoy, mushrooms, nandito lahat. Noodles. Papansin ko mga dami mga ano dito. Parang mga nuts, mga yan, mga different kinds of nuts. They have sunflower. May mga tuyo din dito. May tuyo. Tayo sa temple. What's the name of the temple? Pai Time? I think we're here. This is the only temple na nandito sa the streets na to. So wala siyang name. We're here inside sa temple. There's a Miming. Taylor Tabachoy. Hello Taylor. No, soto mo. Taylor Tambok! Taylor Tambok, ha? Lala. Wala ko ulit. Taylor! Ah, Colombian sound, eh? Meron silang fabric market, jade market. Mga DVDs, mga CDs. More on electronics dito, no? Electronic stores. Malapit na dito yung arcade. Ito na yung main tinatawag nilang Main Street kasi yung mga tinda dito more on electronics, mga panglalaki, bags. Look, ang ganda ng mga bags, ha? Appliance, so mostly mga lalaki, mga males, mga men kung dumadayo dito kasi dito lahat yung mga accessories like that, bags. Oh, may station din pala dito, Shamshoy Police Station. Ayan. It's a haven for men. Mga tito and lolo, may mga accessories dito madami. Mga power tools, accessories, sa dito lahat. Sana makakita tayo ng ng ref magnet. Oh, Taylor! Dami kaming cute na pusa na nakikita. Taylor! Lo, ang laki mo! Taylor! Ming Ming! Meow! Cute! Bilihan ng mga gadgets. The PS5 may for second hand. Look at this. Nintendo. The PS5. Oh. PS5, how much? Ayun. Ay! Nintendo Switch?
Si Kirby.
Nintendo Switch. Meron palang park malapit sa Nathan Road. It's Kowloon Park. And let's walk around and explore. Ito yung map. You are here, Enstran. Tapos may toilet. May toilet sa papasok. Na may number siya. So entrance is ano yung entrance? Malapit na din sa Canton Road. Siomai and a dumpling. We are here at the famous Canton Road. Yan o, Harbor City na mall. Diyan sila nag-hangout. Kasi ate yung murag nakapanty na lang. Ano lang pala siya, across lang siya ng Nathan Road. Mga branded, mga brands. Famous brands. Ferragamo. How do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? Longchamp. Lukfook Jewelry. Lining. Ano, may mall pala dito. The Scarlet. Oh, Rimowa. There's a selling store. Rimowa. Emperor and Louis Vuitton. Haba ng pila ng Louis Vuitton at saka Gucci. Madaming pera yung mga tao dito. Parang siyang ano, mall, Harbor City. Social na mall, may Chanel. And this part is Chanel, may Dior. May Dior. Oh. May pila ulit sa Dior. May kampano mga tao. Cute yung ano, store ng ano 1881. It's 1881 Heritage Chaumet. Ano na siya? A ferry? Hindi pa. Ito. Fashionable yung mga tao. Ganahan ko yung outfit. Naka-black ba? May pa... Marco Polo, Hong Kong. Sikat tong mobile softie, oh. Daming pumipila. So another Publix store. Cute ng tower. Parang dun sa ano, the Venetian. And then that's the Victoria Harbor. But mamaya na kami pupunta dyan. Punta muna kami sa ferry terminal to claim our 100 gift voucher from Hong Kong. Check kung pwede pang kunin. Sana valid na. Okay. May mga buses pala dito. Bus station siya. Cafe di Coran. And there's a McDo. Piling ko madami tao later sa Victoria Harbor. Yeah, Star Ferry Water Tour. Ito, Hong Kong Tourism Board. So, dito, pwedeng dito mag-claim ng ano, na Hong Kong gift voucher of $100. And just present your passport, then you'll be given this. And then scan lang yung QR code and just follow the instruction how to redeem. Let's do it later. Hinahanap kami na drink, buy one get one, but app order only. So download muna kami ng ano, app nila to avail the promo. Nandito lang siya sa ferry terminal, and may mga bus station din dito. And then later we'll check out to buy some ano, mga ref magnet. Also $50 yung ref magnet. Posting. And then Nakita na namin si Rubber Duck pero nandun sa other side. Look, doon. Nasa Hong Kong pala siya area. Ito pala yung ferry, oh. Oh. There's another side of the harbor. You're back dito sa Victoria Harbor. Doon tayo nanggaling kahapon. Yung taas ng AIA, yung parang may spaceship, yun yung Victoria Peak. And this was the view last night. K11 Museum. Alright, ito yung Space Museum. Mag-Space Museum kami kasi sobrang sad ng partner ko. Hindi ako. Wala kami nakuha na na HK Tourism Board gift voucher. So it's so sad. So mag-museum kami ng Space Museum. Bili kami ng ticket for the HK Space Museum. So, pipila ka dito. And I think yung ticket is $10. Yeah, we got our tickets.
Video.
We're gonna watch later Mars 101 at 6:30. So it's 5:17. So we still have less than an hour para manood. Ikot muna kami dito sa souvenir shop nila. Ano to? Vanilla ice cream sandwich. May sandwich. Oh, may mga sandwich. Freeze-dried, ready-to-eat space food. Parang ganyan. We ordered flavored latte, hazelnut, grande, Pacific coffee. Super nice yung place. Hello guys. While waiting for the show at 6:30, nag-grab kami ng coffee dito sa loob ng Cultural Museum nila, Cultural Center. And there's a Pacific Coffee here. And
Select combination through the control panel and listen to it with the wireless headphone on your right arm rest. Please test the headphone now and contact our staff immediately if you have any questions.
Nice siguro masakayan ano? Duckling! Double duckling!
Smile. Bana smile.
Double duckling!
Duckling.
We are back sa Victoria Harbor. We're done with the Space Museum. Mars 1001.
Right now, museum to grab some dinner. And this. Hey.
Take a selfie. Hey, here. Dito tayo. Medyo pricey. 100. Good luck. Ano na 88. Curry. Ano pili? Ramen. 98. Laki na ramen. May noodles, stars, gusto mo rice? 958 pork cutlet. May minced pork chicken rice. Pork chop, gratin, something. Let's try. Oh, may pork chop sa taas niya. Tapos may rice sila na. Pork chop na may minugo na cardereta na may cheese. Of course, the traditional laksa reminds us of Malaysia and Singapore. Spicy.
Ito siomai.
Creamy. Siomai. It's the regular siomai. Masarap yung siomai dun sa binili natin kanina. And let's check out Gold Ball. So, ganito pala siya. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, really nice. Oh, putting pets dito makes, no? So, pet garden. Baka yung rose food.